Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a challenge for you. Now, this is actually day 17 in this specific video series where I'm showing people how to go from zero to making $10,000 per month consistently with affiliate marketing. I've been showing a lot of proof of what we're getting right now with this specific campaign we've been implementing. We're actually well over $800 per day. And we're giving you the ability to copy me every step of the way. So if you want to learn more about that, that is going to be in the description below. So everything that I'm going to explain in this video makes more sense. So today I've actually got a challenge for you guys. And before we jump into it, make sure if you haven't already, you subscribe to the channel and you tick the bell icon to ensure that you receive updates on every single future video that I publish when I publish it. Because tomorrow I'll be releasing a video. You want to be notified of that video through email, and YouTube will notify you of this video if you make sure that you do subscribe and also tick that bell icon. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's jump into this video. So today I want to show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing by doing product reviews. Okay, and product reviews are going to help you build your YouTube channel. They're actually going to help you generate more ad revenue, and they're going to help you build your brand and overall make more sales. So this is a video that I uploaded some time ago, but over time it's received nearly 150,000 views, you guys, 4.8 thousand subscribers, and $4,400 in ad revenue. And I guarantee those subscribers, many of them, turned into sales later on for me, and even immediate sales as well. So when somebody goes to YouTube and they type in a specific key phrase or search phrase around a product and are looking for a review on that product, they've got their credit card in hand ready to buy versus somebody that's at the beginning of their research process. So I want you guys to know how powerful this is. This is so powerful that right when you upload your video on your review, you can get sales within the first 24 hours. So what I want to challenge you guys to do today is I want you to make a review video on HBA, the Home Business Academy, which is one of the income streams. And then the next 3 days after today, I want you to do a review on multiple income funnel. I want you to do a review on My Lead Gen Secret, and I want you to do a review on E1U Life, okay? So I believe that's a total of right around 4 reviews. So just to show you guys exactly how to get ideas when it comes to optimizing your title, description, and tags. I've shown you guys this before, but the first thing that I do is I'll go to YouTube and I'll type in, for example, Home Business Academy review or even reviews, right? And you can see everybody else's review on Home Business Academy. I would encourage you guys to go ahead and watch some of these videos to see exactly how they've structured their reviews. And you can actually model their reviews. You can also model their title. Look at what they're doing with their title. You got to ensure you have Home Business Academy review in your title, which they all do. So they're doing that correctly. So the optimization of their video is correct. You also want to make sure they've got it in their tags as well, and the description, Home Business Academy review, which they do right here. So they're following this person, for example, has got 2.5 thousand views in the past 7 months based around the Home Business Academy review, which is huge because somebody might come to my video, right, and learn about the Home Business Academy, but then they go to YouTube and they look for a review on it and they siphon off that traffic. For example, John here is doing that, and they're able to ethically steal away that customer because he's got his affiliate link here in the description right here. So you could do the same thing. Just make sure you have Home Business Academy once again in the title, the description, and also in your tags, which if you have vidIQ, you can actually see, if you have the plugin, you can see the tags that other people are using here. Now, he could optimize better, by simply having Home Business Academy in the tags as well. But he's got it in the title. He's got it sprinkled out throughout the description. So I want to challenge you today to do a review on the Home Business Academy. Now, as far as software that you can use a few different pieces of software. Now, a paid option is Camtasia. Okay, Camtasia is what I use, what I'm using right now, and you can choose to record the screen without or with your face. That's completely up to you. So you can just go to Google or DuckDuckGo, type in Camtasia. You can also type in free screen sharing softwares because Camtasia is paid. So we'll type that in and you can see like Screencast-O-Matic is one. You can see screenrec.com. There's plenty of different options if you just do your research. So this one, it looks like you can download it for free and you can go ahead and use that as well. There's also ScreenFlow, I believe. We type in just like ScreenFlow. They've got it for Windows and Mac. So that's at telestream.net. This is another paid solution. You can start a free trial, check it out, and then it looks like it's $169. So completely up to you. If you want to go with a free option, obviously just type in free screen sharing softwares. You can also go to Screencast-O-Matic, and I believe this is free, or at least they have a free version. That's screencast-o-matic.com. And you can click on here, record for free. And this is available for Windows, Mac, even iOS and Android, which is pretty cool. So you could even record your iPhone or your Android screen as well. So those are the solutions there. It's very easy to, of course, use these different softwares. They've got plenty of tutorials as well to make it easy for you. If you do mess up, you can just cut out where you messed up and continue where you left off. And I do that in a lot of my videos. You'll notice there's some cuts in my previous videos that you've seen. So that is your challenge, guys. Make a review video on the Home Business Academy. Include your link in the description, of course, of your YouTube video. Then do a review on my MLGS. Then do a review on E1U Life and do a review on multiple income funnel. And do that for the next 4 days. Or you could simply sprinkle them out. You can upload some of the videos that I provide for you and mix them in with these review videos. But you could see here, John, he's sharing his YouTube channel at this point, and then he jumps over and shares the members area of the Home Business Academy. He's got his video, of course, the talking head right here of himself. And so you can choose to do what it is that you want. It looks like you can also text him. So it looks like he's building a list, a text messaging list, which is smart as well. So I like to look at what each of these individuals are doing based off of the review that I'm researching, or the business opportunity or the product or service. And this works in any niche. You simply just type the name of the product or service plus review, and then look at how everybody is structuring their review. And you can watch maybe 3 or so reviews, and then you can sort of get a perspective on how you want to approach your review. Okay, so go ahead, complete those tasks, and I look forward to seeing your guys' videos in the near future and what you upload. Let me know in the comments when you get your video uploaded. I want to hear that you guys are actually taking action. So that is the simple homework for today. I will be uploading yet another video for you guys as well to the Google Drive, and I will be uploading another MLGS email as well that you guys can go ahead and deploy today too. So that would be 3 assignments if you want to complete those today: the video review, the email, and the video upload. And then for the next 3 days, you'll complete those 3 tasks too as well for those other reviews. Okay, thank you so much. And if you're brand new, go ahead, watch the playlist below so you can get started. So you could start going from $0 to $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Nobody else is doing this. Nobody else is showing this for free like I am. Hope you guys are getting value. Let me know below. and like this video, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.